Hi everyone, I'm Santosh. In the previous video, we talked about what are the 3 important things that involved in English. Since you didn't see that video, I have given the video link in the description. Watch it. In this video, we are going to talk about the purpose of English. Can you tell me why we have to learn English? What is the purpose? If you say for reading novels, writing books, delivering speeches, or watching movies, and you can say many more things. But it's very simple. There are only 4 types are there for English. They are called LSRW, which means listening, speaking, reading and writing. The purpose of English is to knowing these 4 skills. All the skills will come under these 4 categories. For learning the language, you have to come across these 4 categories. For example, in childhood, we used to listen to our parents and we are starting to speak their language. And later on, we start to go to school, then we learn to read and write. Do you know which skill is mainly lacking for students? Speaking. Most of the students, they are facing difficulties in speaking part. So in this video, I'm going to tell you an amazing tips and tricks which is easy and effective. If you follow these steps, you can surely speak in English without fear and become fluent without lacking. Before getting into the video, hit the thumbs up button so it will motivate me to do more videos. Let's get into the video. In the school also, they mainly focus to concentrate on these 4 skills, LSRW. But since why students are facing problem in this speaking part? Let me tell you that in primary, children will imitate teachers and repeat the word or sentence what teachers said. Later on, when they enter into higher classes, they read books, by heart the answers and write in exams. Here, they don't have any platform to speak or practice English in the school curriculum. So they are lacking in the spoken part. If you want to improve your English speaking skill, you have to understand this first. Don't believe in 10 or 30 days of English classes. They will tell you within 30 days you can speak perfect English or master in English. It's a myth. But what you can do is improve your skill to the next level. For example, if you are playing a game for the first time, it would be difficult to play or control it. But later on, playing again and again, you can improve your performance to the next level in the game. Likewise, you can improve your performance in English forwarding to the next level. For speaking English, in institutions or internet, most of the places, they will tell you to think in English, don't think in your mother tongue. Learn the vocabulary, learn grammar to speak without error. Pronunciation, they will tell to learn this. But the motivation is only for 2 days. Then you get bored to do this. For that, I am going to give you another perspective to speak English in a different method. It's called the DC method, which means don't care. In this game, on the spot the topic is given, you can start talking about the topic for 1 minute without pause. If you ask how it works means, for example, could you able to ride the bicycle on your first attempt? No, it's not possible. By falling only, you can able to ride a bicycle. Then by practicing, you can be an excellent rider. Likewise, while you are starting to speak English, you can make mistakes, no problem. Later on, you can rectify your mistakes by practicing. To play this simple DC method, you should know these 3 rules. They are rule number 1. Don't care for making mistakes. No one is perfect. Even native speaker will do some grammar mistake while speaking. The main aim of this game is to be flow in speaking without pause. Rule number 2. You should not stop speaking in between. Even if you make mistakes also, no problem. Try to finish the speech for 1 minute. Rule number 3. You should not repeat the same idea again and again. Now I'll tell you how to play this DC game. I am going to choose an on-the-spot topic and speak for 1 minute. You can just close your eyes and open. What you see or what comes to your mind, that is the topic for you. For me, a mobile phone. So I'm going to give a speech for 1 minute about mobile phone. Mobile phone is mainly used for a voice call. Technological advancement have made our life easy. Today with the help of mobile phones, we can easily talk or chat with anyone across the globe by just moving our fingers. For example, in this COVID-19 pandemic has affected the normal lifestyle of people across the globe. The virtual world has came to the rescue mostly with our mobile phones. Many institutions and schools have also shifted their base to the virtual platform to conduct online class for students. You see, I'm struggling for an idea, but I didn't stop speaking. Back to the topic. Nowadays, people have become addicted to mobiles. Even when we don't need to use mobile, but we use the internet to play games. it making a real addict. As mobile phone became smarter, people became dumb. Today, mobile phones are available in various shapes and size, having different technical specifications and used for several purposes. By practicing this game, you can start to speak in English. Now you may have the question in your mind. Some difficulties that we are facing to speak in English, they are mother tongue influence, fear of making mistakes, stuck in between the conversation, limited vocabulary, incorrect pronunciation, wrong grammar and sentence structure. These are all the reasons that hold us so we can't able to speak in English. What can we do for that? Now I'll tell you the advantage of playing this game daily so you can avoid this problem. First advantage, while the topic is given, you have no time to translate into your mother tongue. So unconsciously you have to think and speak in English immediately. So you are thinking in English without conscious. Advantage number 2, alternative vocabulary. If you don't know the exact word to speak, no problem. You can use alternative vocabulary. For example, if you don't know the exact word for the last generation, you can use an alternative 2 or 3 words, my father and grandfather, or 50 to 60 years ago. By using this alternative word, you can convey the meaning. So if you know only limited vocabulary, also no problem. You can start to speak in English by using alternative vocabulary. Third thing, fear of making mistakes. For this 1-minute game, you can play with the person might be trustable. Or no problem, you can practice in front of the mirror so no one is going to judge you. Advantage number 4, speaking comes through speaking. There is no other option is available for you, or no one is going to speak for you. You have to come forward to speak in English. You don't know what you don't know until you know. So start to speak now. You can play this game for 2 minutes in the morning, afternoon, evening and night. By playing this game, you can see the differences in a few weeks. It will boost your fluency level and improve flow in speaking. Then if you want to move your English to the next level, you have to learn some functional grammar to make a proper sentence. So you could play this game in a better way. So I'm going to upload some basic functional grammar in upcoming videos. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to learn that. This video is also available in Tamil version in our YouTube channel Learn Indian English. Like, share and don't forget to give your comments. Thank you. Have a nice day.